Hi guys, welcome to day 5 riding with Canary motorcycle tours. And this is quite late in the day. We've had a leisurely day today. We've been to Las Palmas and we've been sat by the beach having a long lunch and an ice cream.
Enjoying that ice cream, John?
I am.
What is it? Angela Merkel?
Yeah.
This is just kind of the last gasp ride out before we head back to base at Vecindario. What's this guy up to? Okay, going really slowly. Okay, no idea what he is doing, but anyway, like I say, last gas ride out for today. It'll be getting dark in an hour, so I'm sure we won't be straying too far away from Vecindario. Up in front is Martin, and on the back of Martin is Joy. You don't often get Joy out on the bikes. It's a national holiday over here today, so she's got the day off. She's been out with us, and been nice to catch up with her. And if anybody does inquire to Canary Motorcycle Tours, it'll almost certainly be Joy that answers your emails and deals with bookings and just deals with the logistics of running Canary Motorcycle Tours. And Martin deals with everything regarding the bikes and taking everybody out. So it's a good team, really. It doesn't seem to slow Martin up much when he's got a pillion. You know, he's an excellent rider. He's also a instructor, and he's also co-owner of a motorcycle instruction school in England. So he knows what he's doing. So if there are people out there that do fancy coming over but really don't fancy taking their partner on the back, Martin can certainly do that. So you can ride your own bike, and he can take your partner on pillion on his bike. I would certainly say that. Certainly trust him. Like I say, he's an excellent rider. Getting into quite a steep-sided valley here. I wish I could tell you where we were. I have absolutely no idea. If I see a road sign, I'll tell you in a minute. I can smell barbecues. Like I say, it's a national holiday today, so all the locals are got the day off. They'll be all out doing whatever you do in here for leisure. Walks, seeing the sights. Oh, it's quite magnificent here, actually. Steep-sided valley. We're on the GC 103, so you want to get your map out and have a look. Really is very nice, really beautiful. I always like to see that sign, S-Bends. Always a good sign. Cars parked randomly everywhere. I think anywhere where somebody can just park up and get a picnic out, that's what they're doing. Just starting to turn a bit chilly now, and the sun's gone in for about the first time in 5 days of riding. We've got a little bit of cloud, but it's still lovely and warm. think the sign on the chemist we went by was still saying 23 degrees, so 23 degrees in the shade is fine. I'm still wearing just a vented jacket and a t-shirt. What you're doing? Ooh, looks like we're going to do a bit of a zigzag up here. Things are going to start getting steep. Ooh. People. Extremely busy. Ooh. Looks like we're calling in for coffee. Cool, blimey. We'll get in now. Get alongside and then we'll pop behind. Go on, go right up if you can. That'll do. Watch, you won't get a leg down there. Coffee stop. Ooh. So what's this place called then, Martin? Pardon? Guardia-Deca.
Said that without moving my lips there.
Very impressive.
This is in here, this is a huge restaurant. Goes in all underneath the... What's this place?
Quadria-Deca.
What?
Quadria-Deca.
I thought we'd try and get a drink here if it's not too busy.
Looks like every man is out today. Man, woman and child.
All that barbecue down there.
Oh, they're all having barbecues. You can smell it as you went by.
They're cooking something and it smells really nice. I don't know whether we're stopping here or not, but we'll have a look. What's this?
Cave.
A cave?
Cave restaurant.
Wow.
Not far off it now.
And the way home is the way we came in, or?
Where we came up, that T-junction turned right. We carry on going straight on, it takes us into in here.
Nice fast road.
We've got to go and have a quick look inside. The restaurant inside a rock. Wow. This is something else. Right inside a rock now. It's all been dug out. Hola. My God, this is a popular place. Oh, sorry. I think I've got lost. Are you alright? It's brilliant in there, mate. I've captured it all, gang.
Yeah.
For posterity. Oh, amazing. You've got to have a look.
I will do.
Yeah, it really is. Joy, can you eat them oranges?
Those oranges there, they're
Yeah.
stupid. They're plastic.
They can't
December,
be.
For Christ's sake.
Don't be silly.
Oranges this time of year in Spain.
You're pulling my leg, ain't you?
Yeah.
Can you get that out all right there? She'll get that out. Keep going, Carol, keep going. All right. Oop. Who's going? Where are you going? Oh, Ross is going first. Right. Well, that was a nice coffee stop. Very nice coffee stop. Valley looks fantastic. Wow, look at that lot down there. Yeah. The Spanish certainly know how to enjoy themselves. I mean, what a magnificent view, eh? Look at that. Look at that. It's stunning. Absolutely stunning. Oh, nice end of the day. Look at that. Yeah, it's kind of like a warm Scotland. Yeah, warm Scotland, eh? Yeah, cave houses. Alright guys, if you can see right up there, I bet the GoPro can't pick it up, but right up there's loads and loads of cave houses. Be a fantastic place to live. Certainly a room with a view up there. Oh dear, car in the ditch there. Yeah, a room with a view. A long way to come back down though, wouldn't it? All the houses tucked away and sort of dug into the rock, aren't they? Look. I should think when it's really hot, they're cool places to live, aren't they? And it does get pretty warm here. A bit dark at the back of the house though when you're buried into the middle of the yeah. I mean, look at them, they're all up there, look. Looks very nice. You can see them all up there, look, can't you? Yeah. Fascinating, fascinating. I mean, I guess they've just hollowed out what was a naturally occurring cave in the rock. I mean, the place that just had coffee was a right rabbit warren inside, right into the hillside, wasn't it? All right, yeah, they're all up there. I didn't notice them when we came up. No, I didn't notice there was caves. Well, I've only noticed since obviously everyone's told me there's a nice blue one hid behind there. He's got a solar panel as well. So I'm amazed. I'm amazed there's not more solar panels on houses over here. There's way more solar panels in England on houses. Yet you come over here where it's sunny 90% of the time, no solar panels. What's going on there? We've got some of the dirty, great big wind turbines, but they're only on one coast, aren't they? Well, I would have thought you could be fairly self-sufficient out here. But I think we've only got so many solar panels in England, though, because of the grants and the government, the subsidies the government did to get you to buy them. But oh, surely they have to meet European. Is this not classed as part of Europe here, even though it's Spanish colony? I don't know. Well, it is Spanish, but well, Spanish speakers. But I mean, you're a long way from Spain here, aren't you? It's a bit the same as Gibraltar, isn't it, with us? Spanish don't like that either, do they? Anyway, we're coming out the valley now, so I think I'll sign this video off. Thanks a lot for watching. If we make another video and I've got enough memory card space, it's the last day of our fantastic trip over to Gran Canaria with Canary motorcycle tours. So Martin's been taking requests today, so hopefully we're going to go over and redo the GC200, which is my all-time favourite road. So thanks for watching. Cheers for now.